Justice retired BP Katakey ula wanra ka kaipot Palat khat pra Hajar metric ton u Dewïong bala TBA u Rngai na East Jaintia Hills District. Habakli ya kajing lang pej banya akabaya day but ka 32nd interim report u Katakey ula Bthah yo Deputy Commissioner Katakey District ba un Mudui dak Hajar but ba un pen biang kaipot shwa ka khan ri tarik urisau Hajar arpusan. Nagi khatsan spat ligi coordinates bala dep shim jing itu tang shi spat lai poprat ligi depo ki bala la ban pen shisha namar ka jinglong jingman ka sun benang bat ka kadoru ka jingduna ba khat pra Hajar ar spa prapukundai metric ton hapdeng ka mapping da ka garuda ka bara jankot iwei point pralak metric ton bat ka jing pen shisha ka bor district. Ula ongru bagi dan ki jing penon kam bakla ha Southwest Katakey Hills District hakaba ki jing kenjing dia ki ya pair hadu khandai spa metric ton hapdeng ka MBDA bat ka bor district.
Today's meeting in fact is the follow-up meeting on the action taken or required to be taken pursuant to my last report, which was 32nd report. And I found that they have started taking action based on the 32 interim report. And two actions are, required to be taken very urgently. Those are one relating to the assessment of coal, illegally mined coal found by MBDA, and assessment of illegally mined coal found by Garuda in their respective reports. And third thing, the demolition of 33 illegally established coke oven plants in two districts. In one of that district is Jaintia Hills district, where there are 16 or 17. Another district is in all probability West Katakey Hills or something like that. I forgot the name. Total 33. They have initiated a process for demolition of those 33 coke oven plants pursuant to Supreme Court direction for non-compliance of siting norms. And relating to the volumetric assessment done by MBDA in respect of Southwest Katakey Hills District, that process has been completed by the district administration, and they have found the existence of certain quantities of coal. But there is a difference between the two findings, one by MBDA, another by the district administration. And difference is almost, Dewïong village is 300 and little over 333. And in Rijaju, little over 587. Total it comes to little over 900 metric ton. And so therefore that 900 metric ton of coal in Southwest Katakey Hills district is missing. That is illegally mined coal. I have directed the Deputy Commissioner to lodge the FIR relating to that and directed the police to make the necessary inquiry and investigation to find out the truth, where this quantity has gone.
Is this coal or coke?
Coal, not coke, not coke. And this is relating to the illegally mined coal in the, survey conducted by MBDA in that district. And as you know, Garuda also submitted a report relating to the existence of illegally mined coal in other districts. The major portion was 1.8 lakh, about 1.8 lakh in East Jaintia Hills district, and they have identified more than 1500 coordinates. Out of that, only verification in respect of 138 coordinates could be made. And there also, there was shortage of 18,289 metric ton between the Garuda report and the verification done by the Deputy Commissioner in respect of 138 coordinates.
Okay. Which district?
Is Jaintia.
Okay.
More than 1500 coordinates required verification. Out of that, only 138 could be raised. Remaining could not be raised because of the monsoon session. That's what they said. I have directed the Deputy Commissioner to prepare a roadmap and submit a roadmap before my next meeting, which I planning to have it on 16th of October next month, that means. So in respect of 138 dumps, there is shortage of 18,289 metric ton in East Jaintia. That is also huge quantity. I have directed the Deputy Commission to lodge the FIR about that missing coal also.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.